There are scores of students worth remembering, but sorting one out of them would be unjust to other such great students. I like honesty and humor in a person. I like reading books not only of my subject but of any other interesting topic, and most importantly, learning new things which I do not understand or try to understand and implement it in my life. Teaching is a passion for me and I love being with the students. I got the inspiration from my father, who is also a teacher. I try to make the students learn new things, do their activity on their own, increase their confidence level, and encourage them to do whatever they like according to their own choices. I am only there to guide them. Since online classes has bridged the gap between student and a teacher, either of them can be approached at any time. That is the most important plus point of online classes. Secondly, the use of different audiovisual aids becomes more prominent and more useful in online classes than rather normal class. My name is Mrinmoy. Come learn with me at Openhouse.